Dividing real numbers by hand. Here we have 0.72 divided by 0.6. Now I do not want to divide by a decimal. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to rewrite this thing as a fraction. So we have 0.72 over 0.6. On this step, I'm going to make the denominator into a whole number by multiplying by 10. Whatever you multiply denominator by, you also multiply numerator by it, because in this way you're multiplying the whole thing by 1. So we have 7.2 out of 6. Now that can be done by hand. We have 6 into 7.2. 6 goes into 7 one time. 6 times 1 is 6. So difference is 1. Put the decimal over there. And now we can drop 2. 6 goes into 12 two times. 2 times 6 is 12. And the remainder is 0. Our answer is 1.2. 0.36 divided by negative 0.9. First thing you want to do is simplify the sign. So positive times negative, the answer will be negative. So on this step, I have to figure out how to do 0.36 out of 0.9. Just like before, you want to multiply the denominator by 10 and numerator by 10, and the new problem becomes 3.6 out of 9. Now we have 9 into 3.6. Now there is a shortcut to this method. If you have 0.36 and you want to make 9 into a whole number, the end result would be moving the decimal and get 9 into whatever you do to this number, you want to do same thing to this number. So we move this decimal, 3.6, and you get the same problem. So let's get back to long division. 9 will go into 3 0 whole times. 9 goes into 36, 4. 4 times 9, 36. And the remainder is 0. So the answer to this problem is negative 0.4. Negative 24 divided by 0.12. Negative divided by a positive, the answer will be negative. Now we need to divide 24 by 0.12. We need 12 to be a whole number. Well, we have one decimal, two decimal. We need to multiply it by 100. Whatever you do to denominator, you do the same thing to numerator. And we get 2400 divided by 12. So we have 12 into 2400. 12 will not go into 2. 12 will go into 24 two times. 2 times 12 is 24. Difference is 0. Drop this 0. 12 will go into this 0 0 times. 0 times 12 is 0. Drop this 0. 12 will go into this 0 0 times. 0 times 12, 0. So we have negative 200.